website that you could get remote jobs. Is that hey people, welcome back to my channel. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. It's good to be back again today with some juicy, spicy and hot information. I know I always say that, yeah. Yes, this is the ExtraStepsCeo YouTube channel where I talk about business ideas that you could start, ways that you could improve on your business on this platform, how you can monetize your skills. Yes, we've all got that skills in us that can be a source of extra income for us. Yeah, I say this always. I'm a new entrepreneur myself. No, am I new or young? Well, I'm new to the entrepreneurship world, okay? So on this platform as well, I get to talk about products that I use that makes my business life easy, platform, software that I use in my everyday life as a business owner. Yeah. Does this sound interesting? And you think you want to be part of my community? You're welcome to join the community. Like, the more the merrier. So please subscribe. And once you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you would always come to watch my videos. And you would not just watch, but you would share as well. Yes, information is very, very important. And for as many people that we are able to get this information across to, they thank us for that. So please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and always come back to watch my videos, share my videos, like, comment, and send me emails. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my content. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for the emails. Like I always say, these emails helps me in making my content. So this email is very, very important. Keep it coming in. Let's keep engaging in the comment section, and I'm so happy to help with information. Like, I'm glad. Okay, so sometimes not this last video, I think it was well, some videos I did not so long ago. I'll leave the link up there. I said I would be sharing a website that you could get remote jobs. Is that on this video I'll be sharing five websites where you could get remote jobs. They update their website constantly. So let's go right into the video. In today's video, the first website I'll be talking about is remote.co. Remote co, if you want to say that. So on this website, they offer jobs for developers, customer service rep, recruiter, designer, or sales professional. You get to browse openings in those categories and more in this website. Then they have listings updated constantly. Like, they have international jobs as well. So it's a website that offers remote job worldwide, online data entry jobs, remote design jobs, remote developer jobs, online editing jobs, remote healthcare jobs, remote recruiter and HR jobs. Like, they have varieties of jobs. You would be surprised at the types of jobs you will get on this website. So the second website that I'll be talking about in today's video is The Muse. Okay, yeah, I think so. So they offer remote jobs as well. You filter and search by jobs, by locations, and this is what they keep it updated daily. The third website I'll be talking about in today's video is Job Expresso. On this website, they offer remote job from anywhere, expertly curated remote jobs in tech, marketing, customer support, and more. You can browse the website for various job posting, and they keep the website up to date as well. The fourth website I'm mentioning in today's video is Just Remote. You find remote jobs that fit your life. And of course, as we all know, that the new life we have now is a remote life. So check this website as well. The fifth website in today's video is No Desk. On that website as well, you get to see remote jobs, find jobs by location, find jobs by your skills. There are numerous job posting on that website as well. So like I said, I was going to give you 5, and trust me to give you a bonus website. The bonus website I'll be talking about in today's video, it's about the just concluded remote job summit. Remote job summit. So go to this website, you see various websites, like it links you to various websites where they offer remote jobs. It's like a remote job portal. Do well to check this website, and I can bet it that you would see something that fits into your skills there. Okay? And I just want you to know that whichever of these websites that you get to browse, please ask questions, read the reviews, read the guidelines and policies. Like, don't just take it from me because I said they offer remote jobs. No, do your own due diligence as well. Okay? And make sure it's something you really want to do. This video, if you've watched this video to this very time and you are not yet subscribed, oh my god, what then are you waiting for? Please subscribe. And like I keep saying, on this platform, the ExtraStepsCeo YouTube channel, it's always a jolly ride all the way. Yes, I promise you that. So subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I love to read from my subscribers. Please send me emails, leave your comments below, like, share, subscribe. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you so much, and until I come again with the next one, bye now. It's a website that offers remote jobs. It's a website that offers remote job. Website I'll be talking about in this video. The fifth website in the most.